All right, guys, I just come on here to do a quick review on this Blurams PTZ camera, pan tilt zoom camera. It's this one right here. Well, I will say right from the beginning, the installation was probably one of the quicker ones that I've done. I've done a couple of security cameras here, and I think it was like 2 logins or like 1 login and then like a second step, and then like you scanned your phone on the camera. Made it fairly quickly. My favorite feature about the camera is that you are able to turn the camera wherever it is that you need, depending on where you have it, obviously. So it comes with the charger, obviously, to turn it on. You can put your micro SD card inside to save the storage locally. The only one thing that I will say is you will have to buy their cloud membership. It's probably the only other thing, which I think most other cameras are doing that as well. Very few are doing like unlimited video recording, but just to keep that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. I already have it hooked up here to my iPad. I'll flip it this way so you kind of see it. I'll show you here. So that's very, very cool. So let's see if I can turn on that feature that you can see. So we'll hit, they does have audio and things like that. Let's see, right here. So you see? Super cool. Up, down. That is really cool. Maybe I'll turn it around this way just so you kind of see the camera actually moving. Oh. So again, if you're looking for something that does that feature, because again, not a lot of them on the market do, highly recommend this one. As you can see, the quality of the video, not bad at all. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.